Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with the latest and unique DIY Christmas craft with buttons. First, hope you like the video, so please must watch video till the end. Today I have super fun and creative Christmas craft ideas for only for you. We will be making a beautiful Christmas tree decoration using simple buttons. This is such a budget friendly DIY project because most of the material are things you probably already have at home, and the best part is it is easy enough for kids to join in, but it also looks elegant enough to use a holiday decor or even as a handmade gift. So let's get started. The things you need, especially for buttons Christmas craft: a piece of sturdy cardboard or canvas as the base, lots of button in different sizes and shades of green. If you don't have green, don't worry, you can point button or mix in the other festive color like red, gold or white, a hot glue gun or strong craft glue, a pencil for sketching, some ribbon or twins if you want to hang your craft later, and finally a few small embellishment like sequin beads, glitter or teeny star for extra sparkle. Once you have everything ready, let's begin. Outline the tree. First, take your cardboard or canvas and draw a simple outline of a Christmas tree. It does not have to be perfect, just a triangle shape with a small rectangle at the bottom for the trunk is enough. If you want, you can use a ruler to keep it neat, or you can go freehand for a more natural look. This outline will act as our guide when we start arranging the buttons. You must sorting the buttons. Now before we glue anything down, it's good idea to start your buttons by size. Place the large button aside, medium ones in the other pile, and the small ones in a third pile. This will make it easier to load them and create a full textural look. I personally like to use the bigger button and the bottom of the tree and the smaller ones toward the top, so it's feel like the tree is topping nicely. Placing the button is the third part, so start arranging the button within your tree outline. Lay them down first without glue just to get an idea of how they will look together. Try mixing different shades of green so your tree has depth and does not look flat. You can even overlap buttons a little bit to cover the gap. If you want extra sparkle, snakes in a few gold or silver button as ornaments. Once you are happy with your layout, carefully start gluing them down one by one. Remember to work slowly. Hot glue dries fast, so it best to glue a small section